My name is Billy O'Connor. We're here in Knockeen, Castleisland, County Kerry. We're milking 210 cows presently. We've installed, for this spring, we installed the De La Valve P100 milking parlour. The main benefits I see of the De La Valve P100 is firstly cow comfort. Cows are milking extremely well in it, and it's comfortable to work in, easy parlour to wash, and it ticks all the boxes. So the De La Valve P100 has reduced our milking time. In our old parlour, it was taking 7.5 hours each day to milk the cows. Now we can milk all the cows in 2 hours, 20 minutes, morning and evening. It has definitely increased our milk production, and that's mainly due to the fact that the cows are moving through the parlour quicker. It was a big decision and a big commitment to put up a parlour like this, but we had full confidence in De La Valve and in Eddie Slattery, our local dealer. The biggest standout for me is just the length of time it takes to milk the cows. I mean, we were given 7 hours of our day of milking, and in the cows it was really knocking hell out of them. And the cows now they're just performing better. We're well up in milk this year with the same amount of cows, and that's proving it. Our biggest worry when we put in the new parlour was we were new to automatic cluster removers, and we would be worried that the cows wouldn't be milked out right, but I've yet to see a cow that hasn't been milked out. And we had fierce problems in our old parlour. Cows come in and they'd be stressed and they would not let down their milk. This is a completely different setup. The cows walk in, the cows have their own space, cows are comfortable, and cows freely milk inside in it, and cows milk fierce quick, and we're very happy with the setup. The easy fit element of the De La Valve P100 was its simplicity. It's simple construction, 2 parallel walls, pit, the stall work is installed, and after that then it's fitted very quickly. The easy milk element of the De La Valve P100 is the cow position. Where the cow stands, she's there in front of you. It's very easy with the Avanza cluster. She's there, she presents herself, you put the milker on her, and it's an easy milk, and the cow is comfortable. So the easy flow element of the De La Valve P100 is the flow of the cows through the parlour. So when the cow is exiting the parlour, you have the push-out bars, which stops the cow from lounging, eating out of another truck, and the cow can exit the parlour either double cow, sometimes triple cow, or single cow, and the cows exit the parlour fairly rapidly. We knew when we were going to buy that parlour it was going to be De La Valve, because we know that De La Valve produce a good product, and we weren't going to compromise on price or anything, and I think we got what we looked for, and we're happy with it. De La Valve P100 has created a new life for us in that we have more time now for looking after our stock and doing things that we should be doing. It has brought joy back into milking cows again. Like, we have full confidence in De La Valve and in their products, and going forward, that's the way we want it.